guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create on my channel, then please do consider subscribing. So today I have created this really soft and elegant makeup look for Onam. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going to prime my skin with L'Oreal's Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. I am using this primer after a long time. I love this one, it's so hydrating. Using a matte foundation today, so that's why I'm using a hydrating primer, and this one does a really good job of hydrating my skin. So guys, can you see these breakouts? So ये जो है वो hormonal breakout है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ना से छोटे छोटे bumps है. ये सारे bumps मुझे एक product के वजह से हुए हैं. When I'll do my skincare haul video, I'll talk about that product. So today I am going to apply these two foundations. These both are matte foundations. So this one is a Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 290. And this one is a Huda Beauty's Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Baklava. So I will be mixing these two foundations. And I love the coverage that these foundations give. So just... इसका जो पंप है वो टूट चुका है. Something has gone wrong, so we are going to you have to be really careful because it's a little messy. So it gets really messy, guys. Let's move on to concealer. For my concealer today, I am going to apply Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is in the shade Ginger. Just a little bit much. With Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium number 20, I'm going to set my under eyes. With K Beauty's Matte Compact in the shade 130 and Medium, I'm going to set the rest of my face. And I'm using this brush today. It is from PAC and it is in number 275. For blush today, I am using my Tarte Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going to go in with this blush. So this is the shade. And I'm going to apply this blush with MAC's 168 brush. So today's highlighter is our Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. This is a very subtle highlighter. And this is my Real Techniques setting brush. And obviously I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. Normally, I avoid applying highlighter on my chin, but today I will be applying some. I'm going to spray some of my Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. So I'll quickly fill in my brows, finish one set of my eye makeup, and I'll see you guys very soon. So this is what I have done for my eye makeup. I know it's a very simple look, but I feel it's perfect for Onam. I mean, obviously आपको जो create करना create कर सकते हो, but आज मेरा बहुत ही simple मेकअप लुक करने का मन किया, एंड बिलीव मी बहुत ही ईजी है. एंड आई विल बी गोइंग इन विद अ डार्कर लिप कलर, सो this eye makeup is going to match really well with our lip color. So now let's finish the other side. So today I'm using my Colourpop's Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette, and I will be going in with this shadow. It's called Downright, which is this one. I will be applying this shadow all over my lid with Zoe Bar's 228 crease brush. So it's going to be like a nice wash of color. I love these kind of shadow colors, they look really pretty. Now I'm going to take my Sigma's E40 brush and soften the edges. Now I'm going to take my Lakme's Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal and run it along my waterline. I'm going to tightline my eye as well. Taking my Sigma's Smudge E20 brush, I'm going to smudge this kohl, okay? So I'm not taking any extra product. जो भी हमारे waterline पर है, उसी को मैं हल्का सा lower lash line पर smudge करने वाली हूँ. I thought I smudged. Okay. Now I'm going to take some of this kohl on my brush, and now I'm going to line my upper lash line. Now guys, if you want, you can apply a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner, but I want this look to be really soft, and that's why I am applying this kohl, but I'm actually going to smudge it, okay? So you'll see how I do it. I'll have to just be a little careful. Very close to the lash line. Okay, so this is what I have done, and now I'm going to pull it inwards. No extra product. I'm just going to soften it a bit. Going in with Maybelline's Temptation Waterproof Mascara. If you guys are not going to wear any false eyelashes, then make sure that you coat your lashes really well. Popping on PAC's eyelash in number 53. For my lip color today, I will be applying Faces Canada Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer in the shade Wine Shot number 26. So guys, I want my edges to look really clean and crisp. So I will be going in with NYX Matte Lip Liner in the shade Copenhagen. And lastly, I'm again going to spray my Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist.